summer I might have drowned, but I held my breath and I kicked my feet and I moved my arms around. I moved my arms around. Last summer I swam in the ocean, I swam in a swimming pool. I felt my wounds through in my eyes, I'm a self-destructive fool. Self-destructive fool, yeah. Last summer I did a backstroke, and you know that that's not all. Did a breaststroke and a butterfly and the old Australian crow, the old Australian crow. Last summer I swam in a public place, a reservoir de boue. The latter I was informal, the former I wore my suit, I wore my swimming suit, yeah.